How does science benefit society? If someone asked you how the data and information that satellites capture about Earth benefits people, or how a research project that you're conducting improves the environment, what would you say? How would you go about describing the steps in this process that lead from scientific information on the one hand to tangible benefits for society on the other? And is there a way to measure these benefits in terms of things like lives or money saved? We think there is. And that's the focus of this Space Apps Challenge, measuring the value of Earth observations. I hope you'll join our challenge to document and measure how satellite information benefits society. Completing this challenge will give you an effective tool for communicating how your work or the scientific information or data set you're interested in benefits people and the environment in concrete terms that everyone can relate to. My name is Bethany Mabee. I'm Deputy Director of the Valuables Consortium, which is a cooperative agreement between NASA and Resources for the Future. Valuables measures how the information satellites capture about our Earth benefit people and the environment. I hope you'll join us on October 2nd and 3rd to create your own project, linking satellite data and imagery to tangible benefits for society. In this challenge, we'll ask you to get started by looking at how the information you're interested in is used to make a specific decision. Then we'll ask you to determine how people or the environment benefit from the actions that people take when they make this specific decision. And finally, we'll challenge you to design a strategy for measuring these benefits. And that's really the focus of this Space Apps Challenge, measuring the benefits of Earth observations. I hope you'll join us to become part of an interdisciplinary community of people working to demonstrate how Earth observations benefit society.
Hi everyone, my name is Yusuke Kuwayama and I am the Director of the Valuables Consortium. I hope you will consider participating in our Space Apps Challenge to measure the value of satellite information. Some of the kinds of questions that you might ask in this challenge are, if satellite data are used to track deforestation, how many more acres of forest can be preserved? Or, if satellite data are used to respond to natural disasters, how many lives can be saved? And how much more property damage can be avoided? Or another example, if satellite data are used to measure and regulate air pollution, what are the human health benefits in terms of lives saved and illnesses avoided? Measuring the societal impacts of satellite in this way, in metrics such as acres of forest preserved, or lives saved, or illnesses avoided, can be very important because it helps scientists and the earth science community communicate how their work is important and how it leads to socioeconomically meaningful benefits. We think that the Space Apps Challenge will be appealing to a broad set of participants, including scientists who are working on satellite data applications, who want to characterize the societal benefits of their work, to people who manage satellite programs, both in the public and private sectors, to quantify the impact of their programs, and then science writers and journalists who have an interest in communicating the benefits of satellite data to society. We hope that you will join us on October 2nd and 3rd to create your own project linking satellite data or imagery to tangible benefits to society.